It's going back up into the sky though, ain't it? Yeah.
Is that the one he's talking about? We see the vortex.
Dude. Holy shit. Alright, bye. Leslie, get in the fucking closet! Dude.
Yeah, dude, they're fucking leaving, man. Oh my god.
We just fucking outran this.
I want to go. I want to go back.
Look at that.
I see it.
Those people's house isn't there, is it?
That trailer.
Oh my god. Your house. That trailer's gone?
It's gone.
Okay, can we please go back, please?
Baby,
now.
be quiet.
Dude, our house was just hit by a fucking tornado.
No, their house was hit by a tornado, and I want to go home.
They left.
They left. That saved their lives.
Yes, it did.
Can we please go back to Houston and get in the hospital?
Yeah.
Like Daddy said?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
The fence was outside.
There's your...
Dude.
Yes, dude, they're fucking leaving.